everybody, this is Charmaine from Sky Digital Agency, and here today with me I have Kevin from H Marketing. He's a digital marketing consultant and runs H Marketing and service a few clients under his business as well. So today the topic that we're going to discuss is how entrepreneurs can grow their business. So I have 3 points here for you today. The first point is working in a co-working space. So when I first started, actually I find it really hard to find a co-working space. That was back in 2010. But then after that, I started to see many co-working spaces coming up, and really the breakthrough was getting myself in a co-working space. So at that point of time, I was working at Regus, and there's this co-working plan where you pay less than $200 and you get the business address, you get a virtual receptionist who will pick up your call and direct the calls to you, the inquiries, and you get to work there in the first come first serve basis, but that was the cheapest plan. And actually I got a lot of referrals, a lot of clients from co-working space. You take a break when you actually go to the pantry to get your drinks, you get to speak to other people, and that's really how you can collaborate, grow your business. If there are other people in the same industry, you can even share the problems that you're facing and see what is their advice for you. So yeah, it's important to get connected to people to grow your business, and really throwing your ideas out to different entrepreneurs that you meet along the way, and just sound out and ask what do they think about it. Yeah. So what about you, Kevin? Do you have anything to share with the entrepreneurs out there on maybe some pointers that you have for them to grow their business?
Yeah. Okay. To me, for every entrepreneur, right? So basically, the toughest part is if you are working alone, right? So always look out to collaborate with other people. If let's say today you're a nutritionist, you probably link up with a fitness coach, right? To be able, they will probably meet the right audience and people, and they might not be able to actually to serve all their customers on nutrition. So this is a way where you can have a win-win situation, right? If you are someone that actually design and websites for other people, you probably can work with some IT programmers or digital marketing agency, right? Because probably one person is difficult to eat the whole pie, right? Everybody probably have to share it with somebody else, and with this you can actually continue to grow your business, and everybody would be in a sharing ecosystem that would benefit everybody. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this pointers was helpful in giving you some insights on ways to grow your business. And if you are not already working at a co-working space, there are so many available out there. Just Google them, and so get yourself plugged into the entrepreneurship ecosystem, get to know people, be comfortable in introducing your business as well, and just practicing your pitch and help people to understand what you do, what kind of services or products you sell. In the shortest period of time available. I think that's the most important part. And if there are networking sessions that the co-working space organize on a monthly basis, that's the best thing. You get to meet everybody. So so these are some pointers that we have for you entrepreneurs out there. So we hope that this has been helpful. If it is, do give this video a like, a share, a comment. Do let us know if it has been helpful in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.